Number 1. 1973 Oldsmobile Omega, $6,500, Brighton, Colorado. Offered at $6,500 in Brighton, Colorado, this 1973 Oldsmobile Omega is a compact rear-wheel drive coupe powered by the Rocket 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission featuring a shift kit and B&M shifter. Described as a reliable daily driver that runs and drives great, it benefits from dual exhaust and power steering. Emissions exempt due to the 1973 model year, it includes extensive mechanical updates, new radiator, battery, high-energy ignition distributor, plug wires, carburetor, electric fuel pump, fuel tank, sending unit, front brakes, universal joints, shocks, thermostat, windshield, headlights, carpet, and weather stripping. Finished in blue with 125,000 miles and a clean Colorado title, it rides on Chevrolet rally wheels with good tires. A solid, well-maintained entry-level classic with real V8 character. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro, $15,000, Montrose, Kansas. Priced at $15,000 in Montrose, Kansas, this 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro has been owned since 1990 and garage kept. With 95,000 miles and a clean title, it needs a complete brake system, new tires, windshield, and minor rust repair, but has no floor rust. It features a highly built 408 cubic inch small block Chevrolet with Brodix aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, competition cam solid roller camshaft, hooker headers, Flowmaster mufflers, turbo 400 transmission, 3500 stall converter, and 4.56 positive traction rear axle. The original blue interior remains, needing a headliner. This is a strong performance foundation with excellent structural integrity and serious street presence. Number 3. 1976 Lincoln Mark IV, $11,500, Rosemont, Illinois. Located in Rosemont, Illinois at $11,500, this 1976 Lincoln Mark shows 57,108 miles and a clean title. Powered by a V8 with automatic transmission, it runs and drives excellent. Finished in gray, this rear-wheel drive luxury coupe reflects mid-1970s American comfort and bold styling, known for its long hood and upscale interior. A well-preserved personal luxury classic with relatively low mileage. Number 4. 1968 Pontiac Catalina two-door soft top, $12,000, Raymond, Washington. Offered at $12,000 in Raymond, Washington, this 1968 Pontiac Catalina convertible has 80,000 original miles and a clean title. Garage kept for 25 years, it includes all original paperwork documenting prior work. It needs a 4-barrel carburetor, battery, tires, and attention to a stuck driver door. The V8 engine is believed solid, and it features a brand new soft top never exposed to rain. A full-size Pontiac convertible with documentation and strong restoration potential. Number 5. 1953 Lincoln Capri, $16,000, Sweet Home, Oregon. Priced at $16,000 in Sweet Home, Oregon, this 1953 Lincoln Capri shows 26,500 miles with a clean title and custom paint. It retains electric seat and windows, premium features for the era. The engine is good but requires completion of a 12-volt conversion, needing an ignition wire run. A classic early 1950s luxury sedan with low mileage and solid collector appeal once finished. Number 6. 1965 Ford Custom, $19,000, Roseville, California. Offered at $19,000 in Roseville, California, this 1965 Ford Custom sedan retains original Wimbledon white paint with authentic patina and no rot aside from minor surface rust. Powered by the original 352 cubic inch FE engine and Cruise-O-Matic transmission, it features upgrades including 390 heads, Edelbrock intake, performance carburetor, aluminum radiator, electric fan, power steering, and front disc brakes. The interior is fully refinished with new upholstery, carpet, and headliner. With 67,000 miles and a clean title, it blends originality and tasteful upgrades. Number 7. 1979 Pontiac Firebird Esprit, $20,000, Lake Havasu, Arizona. Available for $20,000 in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, this 1979 Pontiac Firebird Esprit is in excellent condition with 160,000 miles and a clean title. Powered by a 350 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission, it includes power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and its original 8-track player. A replacement 350 was installed, and the original engine is included. A clean, largely original late 1970s Firebird with strong classic appeal. Number 8. 1970 Kingswood 3-seat wagon, $16,400, Monument, Colorado. Priced at $16,400 in Monument, Colorado, this 1970 Kingswood 3-seat wagon shows 99,338 miles with a clean title. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it features fuel injection, adjustable air suspension with 3 ride heights, updated air conditioning, rear-facing third-row seat, roof rack, and attractive patina, a customized full-size wagon that combines classic style with modern drivability. Number 9. 1973 AMC Javelin, $19,500, Reno, Nevada. Offered at $19,500 in Reno, Nevada, this 1973 AMC Javelin has 82,000 miles and a rebuilt title. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it includes disc brakes, Flowmaster exhaust, rally gauge cluster, retro sound system, and new BF Goodrich tires on torque thrust wheels. Finished in original snow white, rated 7 out of 10, it runs and drives great. Not a show car, but a strong driver with many new and extra parts included. Number 10. 1970 Plymouth Fury, $19,000, Burbank, California. Located in Burbank, California at $19,000, this 1970 Plymouth Fury 3 shows 120,000 miles with odometer rollover and a clean title. Powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it runs great despite sitting for 8 years. a one-owner vehicle with 102,000 original miles before rollover. A solid full-size American coupe offering durability and classic comfort.